Okay, start over. Mickey! That is so cool.
Disney's Magic Holiday. Magical light effects, like pixie dust. Projection fireworks. And other amazing projection effects, such as enchanting. And countdown to Christmas. Connect your ordinary lights for an extraordinary light show with the musical light show control box. Disney's Magic Holiday, only at Lowe's.
That is so cool. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Oh wait. Since I'm doing video. I do like that tree right there because it's not cylinder, but it's 7.5 feet. I don't know if it'll fit under a roof. A 7-foot wheel. This one's alright. I do like that white one over there. Oh, I love this time of year. We're at Lowe's, by the way, in case you didn't catch that earlier. I like this one with the pine cones in it. Hayden pine. 7.5. I like how the branches stick way out at the bottom. This one looks like cactus. I don't know why. I like that. I like that the colors change. I mean, the lights change from color to white. These are nice trees. 7'5" though. This one's too cylinder shape. I don't like that. Too coney. Too expensive. That one's kind of yellowish. This one's okay. Too tall though. Too coney too. I do like the white one. Those are cute too. I love this time of year. Yeah. That's cute. Oh, this makes me want to go home and watch Christmas shows and movies. I love that star up there. I've always loved a miniature Christmas town.
Look at the train.
I know. Oh, look at the castle or church. What is that? Kind Kind of looks like Cinderella Castle. That's pretty. This is so cute. Disney has their own theme park versions of this, but I would like to see a Christmas town made by Disney. And most of the Disney theme park versions don't move. They're not animated. Alright, here's the washer and dryer pair my sister got for her new house. This one's a 4.5. The 7.5 dryer. She got it with the pedestals too. So that's good. We don't have to go all the way down there anymore. I think this is the color your mom wanted.
I like
Oh
that.
no, not this color. It was like another coral blue. Oh, I love the white drum. It goes with the contrast of the blue. Oh, your tia would love that. Tia Lorena. I like it. It's a clear window. But it's a 4.2. Yeah, I hate the tint. I wish that Samsung would do their top of the line models without the tint.
Like
They're
this?
great washing machines. Yeah. This is your guys' right here. Nope, this one has steam. This one. This is yours, yeah. The one you have right now. 4.2. Maytag. The Maxima. 4.5. Oh, it's 4.3. This isn't their top model. Bravos XL.
How do you open this?
Wait.
Ooh, that's pretty.
This is the 4.5. Wait, is this? This one's white. I love the split baffles. Or pedals, paddles, whatever you want to call them. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, this one's a 4.5. I hate that the water baffles are kind of flat. This one's a 4.5 Whirlpool, which is the same thing as the Maxima. Just looks different. Roper. Traditional. Wow, that's good to know. And it's only $2.99. Here's a Sidekick with one of the older model LGs. This one's 4.3. Yeah, I'm not thrilled about these. This one's 4.5, which is a standard. This one has a Sidekick too. And this one is like mine. It's the 8500, yeah, just like mine. Here's the matching dryer. I would not get one of these dryers. I would get one of those with a pedestal. GE 4.2. Standard, traditional. Okay, this one is traditional too. This one has 4 fins at the bottom, which I think is better than 3. But this agitator is contradicting itself. Because it's going to go back and forth, and it's not a dual action agitator. So it's just going to keep the clothes moving up and down, so harder for it to roll over. This one's 5.3 as well. This one has the blue impeller with the chrome cap. I don't know why they didn't put a chrome cap at least on that one. Traditional. It's good to know. This one's 4.3. I wish that the top of the line models were were available in any size tub that one might need. There's another one, 4.8. This one's a little deeper than the last one. Hot Point, which is GE. Yeah, this is that contradicting agitator. I do like the 4 fins though. The LG Frigidaire, or GE I mean. This one's Frigidaire. Oh, it's high efficiency. If anybody has one of these, can y'all make a video? I want to see that impeller work. This model is also available in slate, which looks really nice. Maytag. It's an Agipaller. It's a contradicting too, because it's not dual action. Another Agipaller. This is a Bravos. There's a belt drive. Another GE. Dual action agitator. 3 fins. .6 cubic feet. This one has an impeller. Or wash pipe, if you will. And a tray dispenser. Softener and detergent. They left the magnet. Frigidaire. Sorry for my shaky recording. Looks like they've got a Samsung hub over here. I wish LG would hurry up and put theirs out. The one with the glass door that you tap on it, the light turns on. Similar to the way this one is. This is what I don't like, that it's in there. The LGs have them right on the door. It is a beautiful fridge. I like the black stainless steel. And this is cool. Alright. Why are you running away? Why are you running away? My niece is being shy. I don't know why, she already came out. Now you know. Alright. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Have a good night. Bye.
Just